All right. You're walking on the road with your sister. Okay? It's a safe example to use. You're walking on the road with your sister and some Mawali fellow comes and makes some funny remark to your sister. What will you do? Shh. Okay, tell me one by one. I know young blood boiling, angry young men, lot of pent up feelings. सुबह दोस्त को पीटना था, नहीं पीट पाया, आज तो इसी को पीट के कसर निकालेंगे. I know. So what will you do? What will you do?
I will left my sister to home and come again.
Oh my God, he'll leave the sister home and he'll come back again. तो वो तो बेवकूफ है ना, वो वेट कर रहा होगा वहां पे कि अभी भैया जी आएंगे और मुझे पीटेंगे.
बेवकूफ नहीं है मैं.
हम उससे अपॉइंटमेंट लेके जाएंगे कि तुम रुको, मैं आ रहा हूं जरा.
मैम अगर इतना करने की हिम्मत उसके पास तभी होगी जब वो अपनी साइड होगा, अपने मतलब एरिया के अराउंड होगा, और एरिया वालों को सभी को जानता है.
Sit. We'll come back to your answer. We'll come back to his answer. Somebody else, what would you do here?
I'll beat him generally.
You'll beat him up there and then?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, one person has raised his hand there.
Try and make my sister feel comfortable that she is safe with me.
Very nice. Now see, we have anybody else with any other opinion?
इग्नोर करूंगा मैम.
हाँ जी.
इग्नोर कर दूंगा, जो कर रहे करने दो, अपने रास्ता में चल दूंगा.
Very good. See, now a big hand for all these 4 gentlemen for sharing their opinions. Sit. Now we have 4 opinions. He says, I'll leave my sister back and I'll come back to sort out that fellow. Which in his opinion, maybe it's correct. He said, I'm going to beat him up right there and then. You said, I'll make my sister feel safe, there's nothing to worry. And he said, I will just ignore him. What are these? These are 4 types of? No. What attitude? No. What? Is it an attitude? Is it an opinion? Reaction. These are 4 types of behaviors. See, these are any act, any action, any reaction is a behavior. So these are 4 types of behaviors. 4 types of behaviors in 160 young men. So imagine in a country where I have not asked for other people's opinions. I have only asked 4 people for their opinion. Some of you may agree with A, some with B, some with C, some with D. So we have minimum 4 opinions in this room. That means in Pune we will have how many opinions? Yes? 4? Don't know. Even I don't know, but definitely it's going to be a lot more than 4. Now, why do people behave differently under the same circumstance? Now, let us listen to the same 4 young men, what they have to say. Alright? Why do you want to leave your sister home and then go back and beat up that fellow?
She will feel safe at home, so I want her to left to home and then again sort out the matter.
Okay. Can I say that you don't want her to witness all that ladai jhagda and probably a lot of abusing may happen and you don't want her
Yes,
around?
Yes,
yes, because you don't want her to be scared.
Yes,
you don't want her to be scared for your safety.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I want to solve the problem then and then. Just don't want to
He doesn't want to take it on to later. He wants to sort it out right there and right then. So can I say there's a little bit of impatience?
Yes, ma'am, you can
There
say.
is? Yes, there is a little bit of impatience. Yes.
I feel when she is with me, she is my responsibility.
Yes.
Okay. And fighting at the road and giving back slangs and using those won't sort it. Once I do this, this will happen again, and
Yes.
always I can't be with her.
Yes.
So I'll try and make her feel comfortable in my own way, that I'll explain her ki let that bastard say whatever he wants.
अभी तो कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है, मैंने तो सिर्फ एक हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल दिया है एंड यू आर गोइंग टू द एक्सटेंड ऑफ यूजिंग दैट लैंग्वेज. विल यू बी एबल टू कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ व्हेन यू आर ऑन द रोड? लेट मी स्पीक. दैट इज व्हाट आई सेड. टू एवरी सिचुएशन, in every situation there is your response and a correct response. So you know what the correct response is, but what you actually do, is it actually the response that should happen? We do things in spite of knowing what I'm doing can be avoided, yet I'll do it. And may I request all of you young men to please maintain a certain level of dignity. Do not cross a limit, whether it is in language or anything. It's all right what you said. Probably you're very sensitive about your sister's issue and you use those words. Avoid.
Sorry,
Rule
ma'am.
number 1. No, I am saying this because tomorrow such a question may be put to you, something like this in an interview, right? There, what am I looking for? I'm looking for good communication skills. And the moment I hear a word like this, I may probably not want to employ you in my firm. So these questions, please sit. Attitudinal questions are always asked in interviews. Has any one of you been through an SSB? The SSB, that in 4 days interview to get into the forces. Yes? Anybody has been through What? Please speak for yourself, don't speak for your neighbor. You have been through SSB? All right. Can I ask you to please stand up? During the training, the 3-4 days of selection that you go through, what are the conditions? Very cool, comfortable?
The people are different.
Yes.
They are studs. They are very like rude people. I was very young that time. I was maybe in +1 class.
Okay. No. Please listen to everything he's saying, then I'll explain to you. Yes.
Like
Who are these people you're talking about? The
Yeah, like-
interviewers and the staff?
interviewers. I was talking about the mates.
No.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
But my.
The boys.
The boys.
All right. What else?
What are you asking about? Whom you?
I am saying, what are your conditions during that time? Is it a very happy time, stressful time? You have to struggle a lot. What do you go through in those 3 or 4 days?
We had to struggle a lot, but I was very happy.
Struggle?
I was
Other
very
than-
happy. I was
Otherwise, you were
otherwise-
happy.
Yeah, the friends were very nice. We had a lot of fun there.
Okay.
But
You had lot of exercises to do. You had lot of tests to go through.
our hands were like we can't move it after we write. Continuously writing for 3-4 hours.
Yes. Lot of writing to do. Lot of physical
Lot of
tests
physical.
to do. Lot of stressful emotional tests to go through.
Yes, ma'am. They ask such questions that we are like dumbstruck. How can he even say this thing?
Yes, please sit. Now what happens? You've heard the saying, the best in a man comes out during the toughest of times. And so does the worst. So these tests are designed to check how bad you can get. And then they select the best out of that lot. Your trainers, instructors, interviewers, they'll abuse you. They'll be so cruel to you as if they don't care. If you are bleeding, get lost. We don't care. Why? No. This is nothing to do. Roadies is nothing. It's a drama. Everything there is pre-decided and it's only for all the voting money that the WhatsApp is going to get. Kindly do not compare it with the interviews you have for SSB. You will be disrespecting the uniform. Is done so that you feel under pressure, you feel lonely, you feel everybody is against you, and then how you behave is what will determine what you are as an individual. And that's when your attitude will come out in your behavior. Now, in regular interviews, you cannot be put through those tests, yet you are put through certain attitude questions which will bring out your innermost feelings, Your behavior will show actually what is going on in your mind. Yes, the fourth gentleman. Would you like to explain why you would like to just ignore the situation?
मैम डिपेंड करता है कि वो सामने वाला कैसा है.
नहीं, अभी देखो आपने You said that in all probability I will try to just ignore the incident and move on. That's what you said.
मैम अगर मैं उसको अगर कुछ भी करता हूँ तो वो बाद में हो सकता है कि मेरी सिस्टर के साथ मैं उस टाइम अगर टाइम नहीं हो और वो उसी हरकत करे तो उस टाइम मैं तो उसको बचा लूंगा, उसके साथ रहूंगा.
All
वो
right.
अकेले रहेगा तो नहीं हो
Okay.
पाएगा.
See, now this is a thought of explanation. I said that there is a behavior and a correct behavior. Now because you got time to think, you are coming up with those explanations. Probably if I was in your place, I was going with my daughter and something like that happened, I would choose your option as compared to everybody else. Let barking dogs bark. You cannot control the world. You are not God. Now, your behavior again depends on your attitude. What will happen? You will fight with one man, you will fight with two, you will fight with three. What is going to happen? The best, the bitter medicine for anyone is to ignore them. If somebody tries to be funny with you and it bothers you, his aim is achieved. उसने तुमको छेड़ा, तुम छिड़ गए, उसका पर्पस सॉल्व हो गया ना. अगर उसने तुमको छेड़ा और तुमने इग्नोर कर दिया कि मैंने सुना ही नहीं, तो उसका बेचारे का whatever छेड़ना छोड़ना था is a waste. So that is my behavior. It depends on my attitude. So the best medicine is to ignore. The way I ignore when you all laugh and talk and create disturbance, it's your business. You can do what you wish to do.